Assalamu alaikum. This is Saiful Islam before you. Now I am going to talk about my student life. I'm a student. I had a golden time, which is my primary level, higher secondary level. So when I was a student at first time, I went primary school, and I would like to share about my that day experience. When I entered the primary school, I felt very nervous and scared little bit. And at first, if I say my experience about the first class, it was a little bit scary and a little bit enjoyable. When end the class, I took my book, and that is a funny story. I took my book and I go outside, and I think everybody will take book and go outside, but nobody didn't go outside. It was a funny story in my student life. But in my academic life, I met large number of teachers, students, and my friends. There are a lot of enjoyable story. Some story is bad, some story is good. But it's helped me to make my experience student life. And then, if I say which is the best time of student life, which is the primary level. We already passed to that moment. So student life is a golden life.